The Ministry of Labour and Social Security says over 100,000 households have been completed under the R.O.O.F.S program. Minister Pearnel Charles Junior says with individual family members taken into consideration, the number of people who have benefited may be well over 400,000. Romardo Lyons reports.
Over 116,000 households and about 464,000 individuals. The number of beneficiaries to date under the Restoration of Owner or Occupant Family Shelters R.O.O.F.S program.
Multiples of persons in the families that have been assessed. And as you know before, we had around 45,000 that have been verified, which we put into phase 1 of the R.O.O.F.S programs.
Under phase 1, over 80% of hurricane-battered and displaced individuals have received a voucher and have completed the process of getting cash or building materials.
For the remaining persons who have been verified and have received their text message and have not yet redeemed, we realize that they have had some challenges. And in large part, we acknowledge those challenges, and it is out of those challenges that we have been able to modify the system and to put in place what we call a much more advanced way for them to complete that process.
To make that possible, a digital platform has been developed.
You put in your TRN, and the dashboard updates automatically, advising you of your status, tells you where to collect, and it allows you to follow the instructions. So all of what was before in terms of a more arduous process has been broken down. And of course, we're using artificial intelligence that has been embedded into this digital platform to assist us to close off the 20% of persons for phase 1.
Under phase 2, several people are still unverified. As a result, a national verification initiative has been advanced.
We'll be working with all members of parliament, councillors, community leaders to make sure that we can bring those persons out and help them in 2 ways. Our in-field visits include the use of a system built in-house at the ministry by our experts that allows us to carry out a digital solution in field and take the data, including banking information, so we can do direct deposit.
Mr. Charles Jr. says another option for phase 2 is a similar digital platform that's now being tested. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.